Good morning, y'all. Welcome to my channel. My name is Cash, or Cash for short. If you are new here, I am currently challenging myself, y'all, to complete 43 different items of my summer side quest bucket list. I'm still making sure y'all hold me to it, okay? In today's vlog, though, y'all, it's the 4th of July weekend. Hey. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This is definitely like one of my favorite holidays. I love fireworks. Like, I will throw a firework on you, okay? Understand that, like, that's how much I like it, okay? We used to have Roman candle fights. Like, I love it, okay? But honestly, y'all, I don't have nothing planned. Like, this is gonna be the most spontaneous weekend of the summer, I feel like, because usually I have everything like boom, 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 and it's none of that, baby. So we're gonna just flow this together. Definitely checking some things off that bucket list, though. So I'm excited because this is gonna be any and everything. Like, I'm ready. But make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mwah. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I decided we're gonna go fishing. Okay, I ain't been fishing in years, so let's go fishing. Mwah. Yo, I'm having a hard time deciding which bag. I don't know if I should go Marc Jacobs or if I should go Coach. I like this because it's bigger. I'm finna go fishing. Let me give y'all closer. Could fit my phone right here. And then this one, I just can fit like a least amount of stuff in. So I really don't know which bag. Help me, y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna always give y'all a full fit. But we got Nike on the tee, Nike on the leggings, and then we got New Balance on the feet. I feel like these are my best shoes to go fishing in, so I don't want to hear nothing about Nike and New Balance don't go. Because if I'm wearing it, it's going to go, okay? Pow, 360, 360. Oh, we got Coach on the bag. Okay, y'all, I'm at Walmart because I do not have everything I need. I got a fishing pole. I don't have no bait, none of that, no fish gear. So we finna go up in here and get what I need. It's the 4th of July, y'all. I'm just trying to pop some firecrackers. Did I get this, y'all? I don't know. I always get like just a regular and just put worms on it. But I don't know. I could. I'm definitely getting some gloves. I'm not touching a fish with my bare hand. I don't even eat fish. I just like to catch them. 3, 2, 1, release them. We used to come and get these little baby sardines and stuff. Ugh. This right here, you gonna get catfish. Low key kind of stink though. Okay, y'all, now we about to get these worms. I ain't gonna lie, if y'all go fishing, get them garlic ones, some of the best ones. They stink, but they do the job. I'm gonna check out and we ready to go fishing. I ain't trying to be out there too long. I'm only trying to fish for like an hour or two. It's low key getting hot. It's the 4th. Trying to figure out what's my next move. Like, I don't want to smell like fish and grits, okay? Okay, y'all, I'm about to go get some gas. Cause I can't run out of gas, man. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good. Okay, y'all, I just got here. Gonna grab the stuff out the car. I'm gonna grab my camera. I just have a fear somebody will run y'all over. That's one thing I'll cry. Y'all, I think we found our spot number 1. Hey. Alright, y'all, we got the worms. Alright, y'all, new spot because that spot was just too small. The trees was in the way, and I don't know. Hey, y'all. So yesterday was crazy. My camera broke. I might combine this vlog with another one. Just depends on like everything I do, because y'all need to see something. So just stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. I'm sorry that happened. We're gonna make the best out of this because you always change things around. Don't let the change make you. You make the change, okay? But anyways, y'all, stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. Mwah. Told y'all my camera broke, so we couldn't get no 4th of July. Well, it's gonna be a part 2 tonight. I don't care if it's the 5th, it could be the 6th, baby. We finna pop the rest of these fireworks because a good time is gonna be had. She must be broke. My cousins is scared. I told them come out here with me while I pop this, right, y'all? They acting punk. I don't even play all them games. If you gonna be scared, stay home. Okay, vlog, I didn't convince my cousins to come outside with me while I pop this because I need some witnesses to testify. I did not do this. They tied, y'all. Be my witness. I love this type of stuff though, y'all. Like lighting 3 at once, like this the thrill of the kill. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I shoot Roman candles at people. I'm that tight. We gotta grab the camera fast, all right? Camera, you might get left. No, I can't leave you, I ain't gonna lie. All right. Y'all wanna see? Oh. Oh, shit. Hey, y'all, they bounced back on us, though. I'm finna go get some more. I'm finna do it again. Okay, y'all. Part 2, because I don't think y'all got to see it the first time. Y'all see this? It's finna get real. He coming through on a moped. All right. Y'all wanna see what I whipped up? Let's light it. This one I feel like gonna go wrong, bro. I just know it.
Now light the next one. No.
I ain't gonna lie this time, y'all. Oh! Oh! Oh, wait. Good morning, vlog. I look so crazy. Oh my gosh. We want somebody that ain't trying to keep you. Be the baddie you are. Don't let a man tear you down. Don't let a friend tear you down. Don't let nobody tear you down. You shine wherever you go. You be that star if nobody knows. You feel me? Like, it's a lot of stars out here that get overlooked. Be your own tutorial. Be your own inspiration and aspiration, and never give up on your dreams. Even if they sound crazy, you will achieve, because it's always possible with God. But I wanted to show y'all the sun. It looks so pretty outside. It's like, I think it's currently like 5:30 in the morning, to be honest. I don't know, I've been up since like 3. Like, I'm so tired. I just woke up, y'all. I had to grab my groceries. I don't know what we making today, but I need to make something. Y'all, these jalapenos fire. Get you some cream cheese and some Takis. Yeah. Best combo. Best combo. Yeah, I don't play about them cracked eggs. Fire. I got some muffins for the morning. Oh, I'm so tired. Okay, I know I said I was gonna see y'all in the morning. It's 7:47. It's only been like 2 hours since we looked at the sunrise. So I'm finna go back to sleep. And y'all find me when I feel complete. Let me show y'all how to make eggs the Harbor way. This the scrambled eggs. Boom. Get your eggs. You wanna crack them? Go ahead, do that. Don't get no shells up in there. Like, come on now. At this age, you gotta know how to crack them eggs. Boom. Once your eggs is cracked, all right now. Start seasoning them bad boys. Get into it. We got onion powder. Yeah. Garlic powder. Go ahead, bust that bad boy open. Give it a little jab. Slap your mama. Slap this up on them eggs, baby. Slap. All right, that's cool. That Kinders, that's that secret though. You feel me? Like you just gotta boom. Just a little dab of that. That Old Bay, yeah. You gotta Old Bay them eggs. You gotta whisk it like real life. Take the spoon and just go ahead and do your thing. This is how your eggs is gonna be fluffy when they scramble. If you like them fluffy. Boom, I'm whisking it up. I should have added the eggs, but at this point, baby, I was tired. Like, I was just hungry. I'm ready to boom, go back to sleep. Let's just eat real quick. So y'all whisk y'all eggs up real good. Boom. Dang. Go ahead and whisk them for real. Ooh, you gotta put your elbows into them. I don't know what was going on. All right, add that cheese, cause you where you wanna be, and then eat. It was good. I ain't gonna lie. I tore it up. Like, I had some yogurt. We got some bacon, some eggs, some muffins, some banana bread, like, some orange juice. Like, I was chilling. Like, you feel me? This is the way you should start your morning. Even if you is gonna go back to sleep, start your morning decent. Get you a good little breakfast. Good morning, y'all. Okay, y'all. We up and it's stuck. But this the fit down. It's cute. I like it. But I'm finna go to this exotic car show. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, get into the fit. It's so cute. Finna go look at cars. I love cars down. Okay, so y'all finna see some hot stuff with me. Bow. A lot of people out here. Sheesh. One day I'm gonna get a bike, y'all. Playing, y'all. He come Red Bull trim. Oh, they got some nice stuff out here. One day y'all gonna see me in the car show, cause I'm coming trim. Look at that. This car clean, like. Sheesh. That boy clean. Look, they got their engine, they got all that, like, yeah. This that Back to the Future car, y'all. I don't know about this one. Something like this is cute too. They got nice stuff both ways. You really don't know what way to look. Ooh-wee, ski. It's definitely nice. I purchased this car for $50.
1980 for $50. $50. I was 16 years old.
What?
My first car. I sold the car July 20th. My down payment for my first house. So this exact same car?
Yeah, he got his car back. That's dope. Somebody sold their car, y'all, and they got their car back. That's dope, though. This little car got a story then. Little Firebird. This is clean. I love when people like fire. Oh, he got his trunk open too. Oh yeah, he ain't playing no games. Gear shifts got a ball on it. Oh yeah, this is somebody who care about their car. He said y'all gonna see the trunk too.
That was 3.
They got vets out here, y'all. Corvette. I love Corvettes. I wish I was a Corvette. Look at that. I don't know if this is C7, C6, but this, look at the interior. Fire. I like it. I got some nice stuff. Y'all might not see much of my face because I love cars. I like this green. Y'all know green my favorite color. It's fire. Oh, they hood is nice. Hey, this one hard. It says oil money. We gotta get in that quad. We gotta get in that. He got turbo on his. It's that fast. But he low to the ground. I hate to get a low car like this. Y'all, they got this penny card. Like say penny, it's made out of pennies. It's made out of real pennies. Like, that's so hard. Oh, y'all look in the back. He got pennies and stuff.
The trouble of picking some years that'd be really
right, like, woo-wee.
1970, 1964.
It hurts just thinking about that.
40K pennies. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee ski.
540 gluing hours.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of hours.
That's a lot of hours.
That's a lot of pennies.
It's a lot. On the vlog. Hey y'all, this my guy Quetty. Yeah, we out here looking at these cars. These cars is fire, man. This gonna be us one day. We're gonna get that go up.
This definitely got it.
Not the old Subaru. Not the not the Suishu. Oh yeah, they got some people got some heat out here though. Hot gal. All right then.
Damn, I don't see how a person they make time.
You don't? I love cars. It's like a project, you know?
I like how they look.
The money and the time. Yeah. You put a lot of money into it too. A lot of money. I don't know. It's like, I like that. It's fire. It's like a hobby, you know? That Jeep. BMW is always gonna be cool. Got a decent trim. Oh, bought that order, bought that water. All right, we got some heat. All right, look at Shelby, y'all. It's the detail for me, y'all. Like, when you get you some fast, like, you see that?
With your phone too, huh?
Uh-huh.
Send it to me, because my phone, I can charge my phone.
I got you.
See, just
Yeah,
like
it's the
little
detail.
like
I
this.
just said that it's literally the detail. Like, this will make it fire, y'all. When you got the small stuff and your accents is just bussin'. The rim skis bussin'. See, he got his tag on the bottom bussin'. Like, I ain't gonna lie, this little, yeah, it's cool. It's a caddy, but I don't know. I like a CTS, CT5. Like,
Guapo.
yeah. Y'all see these Porsches? This Porsche is cute. I like the orange. The orange is fire. Yeah, definitely. They got some of the dealers out here too. Some of the dealer cars, yeah. That dude had on the Corvette shirt.
That we thought was the nicest one.
Yeah, one thing about me, I love a good Corvette. It's definitely a Stingray Corvette, my favorite, but they still ice, so. Fire. Oh, you looking at this one? No, I ain't gonna lie, it is hard.
Look like a real launcher.
Ooh-wee. It definitely look like a race car, y'all. Yeah, it's hard.
This is hard.
Ooh-wee, it's supercharged too. Remind me of Bumblebee. Cam, look at this. This bad boy is hitting. Then the interior just drip. Y'all don't even know, I'm getting so many ideas. Ah, you got a toy car in here that matches little
The same
car.
color.
That's hard. I see that. Fire. Yeah, I like this car now. It definitely is. I know, we got the McLaren. Y'all, that's one of my dream cars is a McLaren. Look at the doors, they go up. If I ever get super duper stupid dumb rich, I'm just getting cars. I love cars.
I really like that McLaren.
I do too. I ain't gonna lie, it's fire. I'm finna go look at the seats and stuff. I aspire and I desire and I will achieve.
Oh, she wants to know if she's like, do you have like Instagram
Yeah, that's cool. Do you want my YouTube too?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Y'all, they asked for my YouTube and my Insta. It's so cool. Y'all want to say hi to the vlog? Hi. Hey, period. This is my Instagram and then my YouTube's in the bio.
Thank you. Yeah.
See you guys later. Nice to meet you. Yeah, that was cool. That was a cool little interaction. Hey, the next car show gonna have to be some old schools because this one was cool, but they don't be thinking out the box all the way. You know what I'm saying? Hey, do I want one? Hey, turn up. Thank you. They got the hookup, y'all. Yeah, they got us. Red Bull give you wings, okay?
Indeed.
Hey, cheers, y'all. I need this. Ooh, let me not get hit. He looks pretty mad, guys. The 4K pennies, hey. See you, have a nice one. Nice car. I'm out of here. Need some wheels? Johnny on the spot. Y'all, like this look like my GTA garage, man. I just need these in I need these in real life. We looked at this little thing. Yeah, this little swirly. Look at Voodoo. Look at that. Oh my. Woo. Definitely, that's hard. Y'all, Voodoo got Cobra skin. This is hard. Look at the brakes. Look at the brake pad. Ah. It's hard.
I ain't gonna lie, this red is nice.
It is. I love car. Oh my gosh. Shift sector. Oh, he got that fast. He got that fast, Quetty. They might be buddies. See, he already know how his car sounds. Talking about this was cool though. Something else checked off the bucket list. Definitely something to do on a Saturday morning. Omaha. Coming live straight at you. Yeah, this was it. This was cool. I'll come to one of these again. We got a little purple like Viking. Oh, the dogs like the cars too, huh? Yeah. My goals and my desires is right in front of me. I just gotta keep grinding. Like, this only make me want to go harder. You know, they're like, I know him. They say, I know him. Hey, I don't want to be the one talking to the car. I want to be the one in the car. All right, y'all, we made our final lap. We back where we started at. So we got the SS. It's the Camaro SS on top of that. It's red on the inside. Fire. Okay. Jeez. It's clean in here too. I know he got that turbo. He ready to spin. Okay, y'all. That was cool. The event was fun. I'm super hot. It's already hot early this morning, okay? But I'm about to try to go to the gas station, get some gas, get a little snack. You feel me? I already know my color combo. I'm just ready. I just need my money to align with my mindset, and it is. Money and mindset go together, okay? Real bad. Y'all, since we was at the car show, I want to give y'all a little, you feel me, a little car detail of mine. But this is my baby. This is Cash. My sports car, my old school, coming even more trim. Y'all can see it took nothing. It took nothing for me to put my hair in a ponytail. I got hot instantly. Like, one thing about me, I don't like being hot. I look good, I'm hot myself, but being hot, negative, boss, negative. Hey y'all, this is my birthday wig. Birthday in like 4 days, okay. But this thing stink. Okay, this is my birthday wig. I don't like when wigs stink. This is my B-Day wig. Girl, they already got the little Shirley Temple edges in the front. But she's tea, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. This is my first time ever getting a curly wig. Like one of these type. So I hope it come out cute. But we gonna see. We gonna see. I don't know. Let's hope that this is curly and cute enough, because if it's not, baby, I will snatch it off. Okay. Anyways, I'm about to go drop the wig off. I'm a little nervous because I'll be trying new stuff, you know, like. But I feel like when you're beautiful, always try something new, because if you don't like it, you can take it off, even though it's money. just don't think about it like that. Think about it like you customizing your character. You ever just played the game and you spent money on a game and you was like, oh, this was stupid, wasn't worth it, and you learn lessons from it? Like, that's how this is. You just gotta play the game. You just gotta play the game. Like, it's nothing, baby, it's nothing. But I don't know. Made to order sauce wings. Bless me. Blue ski. Y'all, look at my little pony. My little pony. But I'm about to go drop my wig off, vlog. I know I said that for the 13th time. But it might just hit different this time. I'm gonna go drop my wig off, go back home, edit some more footage. I got so much to post. Yeah, but I will see y'all. Okay, y'all, it's my cousin like little birthday party at a studio. So we finna get dressed and head there. I know I'm looking crazy though. I know. Alright, let's get right. Okay, vlog, we are dressed. We are ready. Now let's give it something classy, like a baddie. But this is my fit, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Baddie hat, keep you some sandals that's cute with your outfit. So if your feet start hurting, baby, you gotta hit that run, man. Be ready. Y'all wanna see my runway walk? Hold on. Off to the studio we go, y'all. They think they're gonna outmuscle me, that's crazy. Bow, y'all. I'm overly dressed.
Are you about to take signs?
Yes.
You still tired?
Twin! Oh, you're streaming.
No, Goofy, this is a vlog.
This is my twin. I love her so much. You don't even know she vlogging right now, but we outside. JQ birthday weekend.
Because Baby Cash not the bag. Baby Cash is the cash in the bag, okay? Baby Cash not the bag because she the cash in the bag. Bow. What's up, Uncle Jay?
What up, baby?
Excuse me, Faye.
What up, baby?
So, I'm looking good. The city lit up. I'm lit. What? Talk to me nice. What's going on? This ain't feeling right. Okay, y'all. We are wrapping up our night. Okay. I think it's like 1 something. I don't know, but I've been up and I've been out. But I think this is gonna conclude our vlog. So I will see y'all in my birthday vlog. Stay tuned.